Are you tired of feeling like your paycheck disappears faster than a magician's rabbit? Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can help you take charge of your money, the debt-to-income ratio. Let's figure out if you're living the dream or just dreaming of living. Welcome to Penny Smart Reminder. Today we're tackling a topic that can feel as heavy as a bag of bricks, your debt-to-income ratio. But don't worry, we'll make it fun and easy to understand. First things first, what exactly is this debt-to-income ratio? Simply put, it's a measure of how much of your monthly income goes toward paying off your debts. Think of it as a financial selfie, showing you how much of your hard-earned cash is being gobbled up by bills. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. To calculate your debt-to-income ratio, you'll need two things: your total monthly debt payments and your gross monthly income. Here's the formula: total debt divided by monthly income. For example, if you have $1,500 in monthly debt payments and your monthly income is $4,500, you'd do the math like this. 1,500 divided by 4,500 equals 0.33 or 33%. This means 33% of your income goes to debt. Ideally, you want this number to be below 36% to keep your finances healthy. So, why should you care about this number? Well, lenders actually use it to determine how much they're willing to lend you. A lower debt-to-income ratio can mean better loan terms and, lower interest rates. It's kind of like having a VIP pass to the financial world. Now that you know what it is and why it matters, let's talk about how to improve your debt-to-income ratio. Here are some quick tips. First, create a budget. Track your spending to see where your money is actually going. Next, cut unnecessary expenses by identifying subscriptions or services you don't use and just cancel them. Then, increase your income by considering side gigs or freelance work to boost your earnings. And finally, pay down debt by focusing on high-interest debts first to reduce your monthly payments. Remember, categorizing your spending, like food, rent, subscriptions, and more, can help you see where your money is going. This step is crucial in understanding your financial habits and making necessary adjustments. So, there you have it. Understanding and managing your debt-to-income ratio is a vital step toward financial freedom. By keeping this number in check, you can make smarter financial decisions and work towards a more secure future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips from Penny Smart Reminder. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your biggest financial goal this year? Thanks for watching, and remember, every penny counts on your journey to financial success.